Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Welcome to the last episode of this series, this do it yourself e-bike ELK project. The project is now complete. I fixed the last things that had to be fixed, the lights, the brakes, the whatever it was. I also covered the battery with a waterproof cover that was 10, 15 euro. So it's time to go through the costs that I had to pay to do this project, actually. So you might be interested. First of all, the bicycle. The bicycle costed me 100 euro. I had to buy an old mountain bike. The kit itself, the conversion kit, was 470 euro. Plus, in the end, some other wires, tools, lights, connectors, and so on and so forth, which more or less were 100 euro. So at this point, I don't remember how much I said I wanted to pay for this. I will have a look, but probably we failed completely the project because it's 670 euro. Now, yes, probably it's above the budget I initially thought, but I would say that I have an amazing e-bike and the price I had to pay was 670 euro, which is a third, maybe at least a half of a normal e-bike. Do I recommend to do that? Well, I don't know. I'm not sure because I had to solve a lot of things. I had to spend a lot of time to do that, and I didn't have actually a place to do it. So the bicycle was for approximately 6 months on my dining table, and I was actually eating on my desk. So if you like to put your hands on and do your stuff and then write something that you build yourself, then yes. Otherwise, you will be probably better off buying a second-hand e-bike and then fixing what it has to be fixed. Probably you're gonna have to replace the battery at a certain point in time because they deteriorates their performance. But I would say if it is well maintained by the previous owner, you should not have any problems. But most of all, I really do not recommend to do it if, like it was the case for me, your bicycle actually got stolen from the bicycle shed in your building. After more or less 10 months or 1 year of service, I went on holiday and I left my bicycle with all the other bicycles. We have a area that is in theory safe because we have also cameras. But when I came back from my holiday, I did not find it anymore. So it got stolen. Yes, I could have asked the police to go through the cameras, but actually I didn't know which was the day, so they had to go through probably 15 days of camera recording for a bicycle, and I honestly think they would not have done it. So, well, it was cool to build it. It was extremely nice to ride it, but it ended in sadness and disappointment. And with this Bob news, it's time to end. I hope you liked it. Uh, don't subscribe, don't leave a like, because this is just a sad story, and it's a guy that built his own bike, and it's just complaining about the fact that got stolen.